Zombie apocalypse.
This is the Eachine Polar Storm. It's a 1/20th full scale four-wheel drive monster truck, or they call it a rock racer. It runs on 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. It's got a 380 class motor. It runs on 750 milliamp batteries. It needs 2 of them, rechargeable batteries. It comes with 4. So you should get about 20 minutes out of each, so about 40 minutes of time depending on how you run it. So it looks nice. This is the model EC09. So it's basically a remote control car, which will do about 20 miles an hour. It's pretty fast. So let's see what's in the box. So there's one set of batteries. So you can get extra batteries for free. There's a remote port, the controller. Hard to open. You do have to buy batteries for this. Yep, I can't get it open. Guess you don't want to lose your batteries. So it looks like it takes 3 AAA batteries that you'll need. I said it's got a trigger for forward and backwards, left and right. It's got a trim for the steering. It's got your on and off button here. I believe they said you got to turn the car on, then turn this on in order for it to sync up. So you got the car itself. It does have like a little flimsy car top on it. It's got an on-off switch down here. I believe the battery should go here. Not sure how this comes off. I said the tires are kind of cushiony and soft. They're not real hard. It's really got wires on for suspension on all 4 wheels. Kind of nice. So there's your other 2 batteries here, and a little screwdriver, charging cable for your AC adapter to charge the batteries with. You can only charge 2 at a time. I have a full-size charger. Just a little nicer. I can charge all 4 of these batteries at the same time, and probably a little faster than this does, because it probably takes 2.5 to 3 hours to charge these batteries, and if you got to do 2 of them, you're talking 6 hours of charging. The manual. There's a couple extra pins, which I believe are to hold this on in case you break these. You do have a couple extra pins because there's only 4. There's 4 I'm holding it on. Looks like there's a couple extra in case you lose them. It's got a manual. Looks like it's in multiple languages, so this whole book's not all in English. Gives you all the parts, how to adjust the wheels, how to trim it, how to use it, charge it, everything you need to know. I like it. This thing's going to do 20 miles an hour. It's going to be pretty sweet. You're going to need some room. It's good probably up to about 300 feet. You get further than that away, the controller won't reach it. You might lose control of it or it'll stop running. So you can't go too far, but 300 feet, that's like a football field. That's pretty far.